I thought I'd do a video of me putting together my side steps, so I just went down to Bunnings and I bought a rubber foam to put in between the two bits of metal to stop any rattling and scratching the paint or anything like that. So I just had to cut it down and screw it on. So this is a little time lapse of me putting it together. Follow along to see me painting them because I was lucky enough to paint them. This is a before of the side steps. Shout out to Adrian for letting me buy them second hand off of him. I then got them sandblasted, and this is what they look like after having the paint blasted off of them. So I zinc primed them. This is just the frame of the side steps at the moment. I took the base plate off, but this is sped up. I'm obviously not painting this fast. This will prevent any rust in the future. And this is the top plate. It doesn't look like anything's going on, but the zinc prime is just the same colour as what the bare metal is. And that's what it looks like when it has the zinc prime onto it, and then just gotta put it into the oven for it to cure. After the zinc had cured, I went over in a texture black. Shout out to Sunshine Coast Powder Coatings for letting me film the process of me painting my side steps. This is powder coating the frame of the side steps in the textured black. So I've done the textured black for both the top plate and for this frame, and the textured black is quite scratch proof, so with all the sticks and rocks that I'll probably be scratching against, hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't actually scratch the side steps. And it does have a bit of a textured feel to it, and I actually kind of like the look of the textured black, so this is just me painting them. Then I gotta chuck them into the oven to let them cure. And this part is by far the most satisfying part when you actually pull them out of the oven and you can see the end result. It's a little bit hard to see in the video because it's pulling along too fast. Although it's called textured black, it is still textured, but it doesn't have as rough of a finish like Raptor paint does. So it is textured, but it is still quite smooth to run your hand over and to look at, so it's a bit hard to see in the video. But yeah, just think of it not quite as rough as Raptor, but it is still scratch proof, that it's not going to leave scratch marks in it and stuff like that.